is Chandi Singh and welcome back to my channel, and I really want to thank all of you for all your lovely comments. I'm so floored and so flattered, especially the Deepika Padukone recreation. I mean, oh my god, the amount of messages I got was overwhelming, and of course the number of subscribers too. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now and please press the bell button so that you get a notification every time I upload a video. Also, do follow us on Instagram. I just want to give you a really fabulous news that our brand CS Essentials has launched fake eyelashes in all styles. Our human hair lashes are priced at rupees 160 and our mink lashes are priced at 750 rupees. I'm also going to quickly show you a few of the styles right here. So we've launched 10 styles of lashes, 6 in human hair. This is what our human hair packaging looks like. These lashes are priced at 160 rupees, and these are our mink lash collection. This is what the packaging looks like. This is priced at 750 rupees. The mink lashes can be worn up to 20 times, and the human hair lashes are wearable up to 5 times. Don't worry ladies, I'm going to do a tutorial very soon. Our lashes look very natural and not plasticky looking at all. And remember one thing, that if you want your makeup to look really fabulous, your lashes should look absolutely natural, fluttery and non-plasticky. If you want more information on these lashes, head over to our Instagram page CS Essentials India, and you can also follow us on Chandi Singh Studio for more updates.